Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I am Oju Ghosh from Central University of Haryana. In this video, we will learn about the recommendation of Justice Burma Commission 2012. Before starting our topic, let's briefly discuss about the Justice Burma Commission. This commission was based on teacher education, which was constituted by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in 2012 under the chairmanship of Justice Jagdish Sharan Burma. This commission recommendation to NCT about the existing deficit of teacher education and how to overcome various issues related with teacher education. This is the composition of Justice Burma Commission. In this commission, chairmanship was conducted by Honorable Justice J.S. Burma, former Chief Justice of India. Member Secretary was Sri Bikram Sahaya, and other members are also mentioned below. Next is the aim of Justice Burma Commission. The main aim of this commission is to improve the quality of teacher education and to make continuous reflection and analysis on teacher education program. Now we will discuss about the recommendation area given by Justice Burma Commission. These are: first is quality of pre-service teacher education, second is quality of in-service teacher education, third is teacher performance and teacher audit, fourth is strengthening the regulatory function of NCT, and last one is outcome of the review of 291 DED institution of Maharashtra state. First of all, we will discuss about the recommendation in quality of pre-service teacher education. Under this area, the Commission recommends that the government should increase its investment for establishing teacher education institution and increase the institutional capacity, especially in the state of northeastern area. Government should instituting a transparent procedure for entry testing of candidate to pre-service teacher program. Current teacher education program may be redesigned keeping in view the recommendation in the National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education 2009. This commission recommends that every pre-service teacher education institution may have a dedicated school attached to it as a laboratory where student teachers get opportunity to experiment with new idea and improve their capacities and skill to become reflective practitioners. And there is a need to establish a national level academic body for continual reflection and analysis of teacher education program, their norms and standards, development of reading material, and faculty development of teacher educator. This commission recommends that there is a needs of masters in education program of 2-year duration. The NCT would need to develop norms for qualification of teacher education to enable induction a person with post-graduation degree in education science, social science, language and mathematics along with a professional degree in teacher education. There is need for enhanced investment in promotion of research in education and general and in teacher education. Next recommendation area is quality of in-service teacher education. Under this area, the Commission recommends that the government is required to appoint an expert group to develop a framework for in-service teacher education in consultations with national and state level institutions, all existing teachers training institutions imparting in-service teacher education need to be strengthened, and there is a need to develop comprehensive program for continuing professional development of secondary school teacher. Next recommendation area is teacher performance and teacher audit. Under this area, the Commission recommends that the central government, in consultations with the state government and other stakeholders, to develop a framework for assessment of teacher performance. Next recommendation area is strengthening the regulatory function of NCT. The Commission recommends that NCT needs to review the existing norms and standards for the various teacher education programs and create a standing committee for periodic review of curriculum and norms and standards of the program. The NCT should develop a new framework for undertaking inspection of the recognized institution with enhanced focus on process parameter to ascertain the quality of the institution and take appropriate action to improve the overall quality of the teacher education system. It is essential to establish a vigilance cell in the NCT which will investigate into any act of misbehavior and misconduct on part of the various functions associated with NCT. The NCT should notify regulation to govern inspection of teacher education. The NCT should appoint a task force to undertake organizational reconstructing of the NCT and to work out its human resource requirement. Next recommendation area is outcome of the review of 291 DED institution of Maharashtra states. The Commission recommends for review of the existing 291 DED institution of Maharashtra. Those are already recognized by the WRC during 2008, thereby providing directions toward improving the regulatory framework of teacher education through the instrumentality of the NCTE. In conclusion, the above recommendation indicate the trajectory of reform that needs to be taken to reform the existing system of teacher education. The Commission therefore recommends the constitution of a committee to enable the setting up of structural mechanism and process for instituting each of the recommendation for improving the quality of teacher education. This is the reference. Thank you.